As a search engineer, I enjoy meeting and talking with the public. I do that, I like that anyway. I like talking to people anyway and communicating with people. So the best thing is seeing people, getting people to, in my role, to engage with the conversation and seeing their faces when they come out, which is normally a smile. And thank you very much. I saw people come who I'd managed to recruit come out of a meeting or the discussion room and with a beaming smile and saying that was brilliant. And I don't think there's anything quite like that to engage with the public about mental health.
Well, people who have voiced their experience are people who've had severe mental health problems and are happy to share their experience with members of the public.
What kind of things have you been talking about today?
I've been talking about psychosis, deluded thinking.
Mm-hmm. And how have you found today? What have people's reactions been?
I found, in both cases, I think I helped the two people. And on a personal level, it's the first time I've actually talked about these experiences I've had myself. And it somehow helps dealing with it all, really.
Mm-hmm. And what has been the best thing about today?
Well, I think there's two things. The talking to the public, I think, has been very beneficial, but also while we've been waiting in the area designated for voice of experience, we've had a chance to talk to each other, and this is the first time I've really had an opportunity to talk to people who've had severe mental health problems, and it's very helpful to sort of compare notes.
We're looking for volunteers, and it's a great event to volunteer because we've got a variety of roles people can take part in. So there may be people who'd like to actually share their personal experience of a mental health difficulty or problem that they've had, and that's a Voices of Experience role. But there may be people who don't want to share that part of themselves, or there may be people who haven't actually had a mental health problem but would like to really be part of this event, and that's fine too. And we have a couple of other roles. One is a search engineer, which is very much as if they're the internet version, I suppose, like a Yahoo or a Google, but in person. And they will be chatting to the general public, trying to support them to come up with a question or offer some questions from our question bank. And that's a more kind of social role, so somebody who's comfortable with talking to someone they haven't met. And we have a third role, which we call the welfare officer, which is somebody who perhaps would enjoy a quieter role, where they'll be supporting the event in the background, just timing the conversation so they don't run on longer than 20 minutes, we say, supporting the volunteer voice of experience after the event, maybe debriefing them, somebody who may have quite good listening skills and would like to be around in a supportive role.